Good morning, students. Welcome back to your EVS class. Yes, beta. In our last EVS class, we have studied our chapter 18, Weather and Clothes. In this chapter, we have studied that weather is the state of air. Weather क्या होता है? मौसम. और weather किस पे डिपेंड करता है? State of air. Air कैसी चल रही है? Okay. Beta, there are different types of weather, like sunny when sun shines brightly, windy when air moves fastly, stormy when air moves very fast with heavy rainfall, then it is a stormy weather, snowy weather when on mountains there is snowfall, and cold weather in our area we feel very cold in winters, that is cold weather. Now beta, in different seasons we wear different types of clothes. क्या आप हर रोज एक ही तरह के कपड़े पहनना पसंद करते हैं? No, we wear different types of clothes. According to the temperature, how's the weather, we wear different clothes. Beta, first of all, do you know why we wear clothes? We wear clothes to cover our body and to look smart. Clothes also protect us from heat of sun, cold weather, rainy weather and insect bites. So, we wear clothes. Beta, clothes are made from different materials. Cotton clothes that we wear in summer. हमें बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं summers में cotton clothes, हल्के फुल्के clothes that are made from cotton plant. Cotton plant is grown in fields and from that cotton threads are made and cotton fabric is made and then clothes are made. Okay. In winters we wear woolen clothes. Woolen clothes are made from wool. Woolen clothes wool से बनते हैं, ऊन से बनते हैं और wool या ऊन हमें किससे मिलती है? We get wool from sheep. हमें sheep से मिलती है wool. The hair of the sheep are removed and turned into wool in factories. Okay beta, woolen clothes keep us warm in winters. हमें गर्म रखते हैं winters में. So we have to wear woolen clothes in winters. Okay beta, in rainy season we wear raincoats and use umbrella. We also wear gum boots. Gum boots are the long rubber shoes that protect our feet from getting wet from the water. Okay children, now we have also done the keywords. So you have learned that now? Okay students, now in today's class we will do exercise of the chapter and the worksheet of chapter 18 from the workbook. Okay children, so first of all let us do our exercise of chapter 18. Open your book, take out your pencil eraser and let's start. Yes students, now we have studied our chapter 18, weather and clothes. We have done its keywords also. Now today we will do its exercise. So open page number 112. Let us do the exercise. A part. Tick the right answer. Yes beta, which is the right answer? You have to choose. On a dash day, we wear woolen clothes. Beta, when you wear woolen clothes? On rainy day, snowy day or sunny day? Tell me fast. Yes, we wear woolen clothes on snowy day. जब snowfall होती है. So write down SNOWY, snowy. Okay beta? Yes. Now see question number 2. On a rainy day, we wear a dash. Rainy day पर हम क्या पहनते हैं? Raincoat, sweater और jacket. Rainy day, जब बारिश आती है क्या पहनेंगे बेटा हम? We will wear raincoat. Very good. Write down AIN, rain, COAT, coat. We will wear raincoat. Okay. Now, let us see on page number 113. Question number 3. A dash tells us what weather we may have in next few days. हमें कौन बताता है कि आने वाले दिनों में वेदर, नेक्स्ट फ्यू डेज में वेदर कैसा होने वाला है? सुपरमैन, स्नोमैन या वेदरमैन? हु विल टेल अस? Weatherman. A weatherman tells us how the weather will be in next few days. So write here WEATHER, weather, MAN, man. Weatherman tells us. Okay. Now let us see question number 4. A dash occurs with heavy wind and rain. हैवी विंड और रेन के साथ क्या होता है? स्टॉर्म, ब्रीज या क्लाउड? क्या करता है जब हैवी विंड और रेन होती है? स्टॉर्म अकर्स. सो राइट, टिक ऑन स्टॉर्म एंड राइट डाउन STORM, storm. Okay children, now we have done tick the right answers. Let us do part B, fill in the blanks. Yes. Number 1. On dash days, we wear synthetic dresses. Yes, beta, on which days we wear synthetic dresses? कब पहनते हैं synthetic dresses? On rainy days. RANY, rainy. Okay, days are written. Now we will erase it. Okay? Now see. Clothes makes us look dash. Clothes makes us look smart. Cloth पहनकर हम कैसे दिखते हैं? Smart. 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 A school student wears dash. बेटा स्कूल स्टूडेंट्स क्या वियर करते हैं? यूनिफॉर्म. UNIFORM. जो स्पेशल ड्रेस स्कूल स्टूडेंट्स वियर करते हैं उन्हें हम यूनिफॉर्म कहते हैं. ओके. क्लोथ्स ऑल्सो प्रोटेक्ट अस फ्रॉम डैश बाइट्स. क्लोथ हमें किससे प्रोटेक्ट करते हैं? किसके बाइट से? इंसेक्ट्स बाइट. सो राइट डाउन इंसेक्ट्स. क्लोथ प्रोटेक्ट अस फ्रॉम इंसेक्ट्स बाइट. इंसेक्ट्स की बाइट से प्रिवेंट करते हैं हमें क्लोथ्स. ओके बेटा. Now we have done the exercise. Now we will do our worksheet of worksheet book. So take out your worksheet book. Open page number. Yes, beta. Open page number 33. In your worksheet book, open page number 33. Chapter Weather and Clothes. Worksheet number 16. Okay. Again see page number is 33. Okay, children. Now let us do our worksheet. Write your name, class, section and roll number on the top. Part A. Complete the name of seasons. Beta, you have to complete the name of seasons. Which is this season? M-N-S- and it will become monsoon. 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 Okay. Next, dash IN dash ER. What it will become? Winter. WINTER. Winter season. Okay. Next, SUMMER. Summer. It will become summer. Okay, children. Now write down question number B. Match the following to help Nidhi to decide what to wear. You have to help Nidhi, a girl who is not able to decide what she have to wear, when she have to wear. Okay? उसको कब क्या पहनना है? While going to school, when Nidhi is going to school, what should she wear from these clothes? This uniform. So we will write here 1. Okay? We will do matching by numbering. Okay, children? While going out in rain, जब उसको बारिश में बाहर जाना है, which cloth she will wear? A raincoat. So write down number 2. When on a hill station, she has to go on a hill station for a vacation. उसको hill station पे घूमने जाना है. Hill station पे क्या होता है? cold weather. So what should she wear? She should wear a cap and a sweater. Okay beta. When in a wedding function, जब उसको wedding function शादी के function में जाना है, what should she wear? Now we have two dresses. She should wear lehenga choli or a frock. She should wear lehenga choli. So write down number 4. On a hot sunny day, जब बहुत तेज धूप वाला दिन हो, गर्मियों वाला दिन हो, then she should wear a frock. Okay children, now we have done the match it. Now open page number 34 in your worksheet book. Yes beta, open page number 34. Okay, now on page number 34 we will do part C. Look at the pictures and write the names of dresses. आपको pictures देख के dresses के names identify करने हैं. Okay, and write down. What is this? This is a frock. F-R-O-C-K. It is a frock. What are these? These are socks. S-O-C-K-S. Socks. What is this? This is a shirt. S-H-I-R-T. Shirt. What is this? This is a coat. C-O-A-T. Coat. This is a frock, then socks, then shirt, and then coat. Okay children? Now part D, draw a picture of your favorite dress and color it. Here you have to draw picture of your favorite dress. Okay. Now let us solve part E. Solve the word ladder using the given clues. Clues are given and you have to fill in these ladders. Okay. Boxes in, you have to fill words in boxes. We use it in rain. हम rain में क्या use करते हैं? C. Number 1. What it will become? UMB-EL. क्या हम use करते हैं rainy season में? Rainy day पर? Umbrella. 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 Okay. Number 2. This is used to make clothes for summer. Summer के clothes किससे बनते हैं? See number 2. Summer clothes are made from cotton. C-O-T-T-O-N. Cotton. Okay. This helper wears uniform. Which helper wear uniform? Number 3. Here is number 3. D-O-C-T-O-R. Doctor wear uniform. Okay. Yes beta. Now see. We get this from sheep. हमें sheep से क्या मिलता है? Number 4. W-O-O-L. Wool. हमें sheep से क्या मिलती है? Wool. Number 5. We wear it on our head. हम head पे क्या पहनते हैं? C-A-P. Cap. We wear cap on our head. Okay beta. Now we have solved the puzzle. We have done the worksheet. Today you will learn it. Okay children. Bye. Take care.